story on how this project came together was that the Noon Club decided they wanted to build a Centennial Pavilion, and they were looking at either Story Mill or Glen Lake Rotary Park. The Bozeman Sunrise Rotary Club was able to talk to the Noon Club and convince them that Glen Lake Rotary Park was the better location for the Centennial Pavilion, and ever since that time we've been working jointly to create this pavilion. There are 3 sections that were installed today of the rotary wheel. There are 3 more sections that are being built by Ken Vanderwall that'll be installed for the 1st of August for the Centennial celebration.